This conference will
Sorry for the
now be
late
recorded.
joining. Uh, okay, Pratik's also joined. Okay, yeah. So once if you're not audible my voice, then just let me know. Huh? Okay, because in Mumbai the because the bad weather condition it might be happen and bad network issue. Okay, just let me know. So okay, so could you please tell me about one by one your background, what you are doing now, and what you know about SAP? Sushil, could you please tell me something about yourself?
Just, yes, yes. Just hold on. So just, just, one second, sir.
Hmm.
Hello? Yeah, one second.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm Sushil Birla. Yes, sir. Hi. Sorry, actually, I came
Yeah.
in the
Hi.
next cabin now. Hmm. Yeah,
Hmm.
so uh, actually, I'm just interested to do the safe certification, like course FICO. Okay, and I'm already
Hmm.
background in the commercial field. My I'm a
Hmm.
doing job as a senior manager commercial. So I need to add the
Okay.
SAP certification in the finance and costing field. So I want to know about that.
Okay.
And yes, yes, that's the process and everything.
Okay. Great.
Mm.
Great. Okay. Fine. Fine. No issue. We'll do that.
Yes, yeah,
Manoj, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, so my name is Manoj and good evening all. And I was a commerce
Hmm.
student. I've been working for 4 years in accounting fields. Now, my brother, I have come to know there was an SAP and there is an finance module. So I am looking to work on it. That's why I got to know.
Hmm.
That's it.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Samir, could you please introduce yourself?
Uh, Hello, hi. Sorry for that. There'll be some disturbance. Actually, I'm outside. Myself somewhere.
Oh.
I carry
Okay. Yeah.
plus years of experience in FICO consultant. Currently, I was working for Bristol India Limited as a senior consultant.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. Pratiksha.
Hello, I'm Pratiksha Perne. I have 5 years experience, total experience, 2 years in banking and 3 years in R2R domain. And currently, now currently I have to upgrade my skills in SAP. So currently, I'm working in SAP too. So this course is beneficial for me for future, and it
Hmm.
will
Yes.
value added for my career.
Yes. Okay. 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 Great. So what I understood basically, you all are working professional and you all are working in accounting field, finance field. So it's very good option you have choosing to like that SAP because you all are know that every MNCs are using SAP ERP product, and you also know that so how demandable software is SAP in market. So in this today's class we'll discuss what is SAP, why we have to be joined in SAP, and what is the future in SAP. Once it's completing, once it's completed the course, then how you will get the job and what are the roles and responsibility in that job. So before start, I'm just introducing myself. So I'm Rakesh Panda. I have 9 plus years of experience, and also I have done implementation and also support project throughout. I'm also part of the different projects, and also I have done the implementation in international clients and the national clients also. So in SAP, they have the multiple projects. Okay, so I will explain you one by one. So today first we will be discuss what is SAP and why SAP is called as a ERP software, ERP product, and what is the basic role and responsibility of SAP? Why we should use SAP? Why companies are nowadays using SAP ERP? Okay, because in market there are different of ERP products. You all are aware of that there are all are Oracle ERP product, Microsoft Azure ERP product. Okay, and there have also some different other countries also developed their ERP products, but SAP is one of the leading ERP products. So we'll discuss that one. I think Mahalakshmi joined. Hi Mahalakshmi, good evening. Hello, Mahalakshmi, am I audible to you?
Yeah, hi sir. This is actually Mahantesh. I forgot to edit that name. It is my.
Okay, okay, no problem. Mahalakshmi, could you please explain, introducing yourself? So we'll
Yeah, yeah,
start the
yeah, sure.
class.
I am currently I'm working as a accountant in Power Mech projects. Uh, so just I wanted to learn the SAP, so that's why I have joined the meeting just to attend,
Okay,
just to see.
okay, fine.
Yeah.
Fine. So let's start our session. Okay. So today first we'll uh, let's start. What is SAP full form? Okay. First to start, what is SAP full form? Uh, Anyone knows what is SAP full form?
Systems, applications, and products, sir. Systems,
Right, right.
applications, and
Exactly.
programs.
System application and
Great.
product in data processing.
Yeah.
Okay. System application and product in data processing. Okay. This is SAP full form. In SAP, we are called SAP is the one of the ERP product. Okay. Why just try to understand why SAP is a software. Okay. If it's included ERP, then it's coming to the business software, correct? ERP. Okay. So because there are the Tally ERP, Oracle ERP, Microsoft Azure ERP also there, correct? But what is the difference between SAP ERP and other ERP products? Okay, because SAP is leading 85% of the market. Okay, so just tell me, I'm just questioning to all of you. You all are the working person, so we all are know that ERP means the E means enterprise, correct? E means enterprise. Okay, R means resource, and P means planning as a decision making. Okay. So E means enterprise. Enterprise means what? A company. Okay, a organization. R means resources. Okay. Resources means what? What are the resources we required for a company? Okay. There have money, man, material, machine. Is this correct? The 4M, we can say as a 4M means money, material, man, machine. Correct? Is this right? Or anyone want to add anything? Money, material, man and machine. These four M are the most important for a company. Planning. Planning means what? Planning means for decision making. Okay. You can say in every organization, planning is the most important part of the company, correct? Because you can say as a retail company, you can say as a manufacturing company, any of the company, if there is a not proper planning, we will not execute in a proper planning, then we will not get that much profit what we expect, correct? So first, so see, there's the money, man, material, machine. Okay, different these things are required for a company. But what is SAP? Okay, so I'm just giving you one example. Now, just forget about SAP. Okay, after this example, you are able to understand what is SAP exactly, how it works. Suppose we have a company, it's called Colgate. Okay, it's called Colgate Palmolive. Okay, Colgate Palmolive is a company. Okay, and this company is running. For example, I have taken is India and US. I'm only taking the two countries. Okay, and in this company there are different departments. Means every company have different departments. Like in finance department, inventory department, HR department. Okay, and sales department, okay, and the maintenance department also there, correct? Plant machine maintenance, plant maintenance, okay, and production planning department also there, okay, fine. Is this right? Okay. So now in India, now just forget about SAP. Okay, we don't know SAP, and our company is not using SAP. In India, I'm using Tally. In US, there have some different software. Okay, what I know, I have implemented SAP. One of my clients, they have used US SOPs, one of the ERP product. One of my South African client, they before implementing SAP, they have used this software, okay, for their accounting purpose. So I know this one only, okay. And for inventory, we can take is a IMIX. IMIX is the one of the inventory. HR is coming PeopleSoft, okay. Sales, the POS point of sale, okay. And for PM, there are the some different software, okay. I don't remember that names, suppose, okay. Now now these are the, you have one company, and your company is running two countries, one is India, one is US, okay. And you are using different software for different modules. Now the month end or quarter end or year end, okay, suppose your company won the financial statement, then what you have to do, okay. Anyone can tell me what you are doing if your company now want financial statement, then the finance department is responsible for the providing the financial statement, okay. So now just tell me what you can do. See, for providing the financial statement, first we have to receive all data from the all departments, correct? So
Hmm.
finance department first sent a mail to the all departments. Sushil, is this correct? Am I going? Are you agree with
Yes,
my
sir.
points?
Yes, absolutely. Yes, absolutely.
Yes, correct. So finance
Compilation of
department
data.
now sending, correct. Yes,
Hmm.
financial department will be sent mail to the different departments. Okay. So what happened here? So all departments, inventory department, okay, and HR sells, every department will be gather the all datas, okay. So minimum I'm taking, it will be taking 3 days for every departments, okay. Let's calculate 3 days. It is taking more than 3 days, but just calculate 3 days, okay. So each department has taken 3 days of time for only for gathering the data and only for export the data from the respective software to the Excel file. Now here you can see the 15 days gone only for gathering the data. Okay. Now, after 15 days, what they have done, all departments had sent the file to the financial department now. Now, what financial department will do? Financial department will receive the mail from the all departments. Okay. Now, what they will do? Now, financial department will not directly provide to the financial statement to the management. No, they have to be now clubbed, they have to be consolidated the all file, they have to be prepared a master file now. For that financial department also taken 3 days. Now total how many days gone? You can see total 18 days, okay. Total 18 days gone only for preparing the financial statement, okay. So here, because why you have faced this problem, because you have only one company but you are using different software. If you will be use different software, there are different database, okay. So If finance department is responsible for that, so finance department cannot access all the database, correct? They don't have time, so they have mailed to the respective departments, and the respective departments export their data from their software to the Excel file. Then they are sending to the they have sent to the finance department, and now finance department prepare a master file. Is this the process for every organization, correct? Before SAP. Sushil, is this correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, absolutely, sir.
Correct. Fine. So here what happened? Here the first debate is coming. You have one company, so why there are different database? Second, it's taking too much time. For only for P&L balance, trial balance, it's taking 18 days. Okay, and for this particular work only, we are including the 4 to 5 employees of every department, because if we have 50 employee, and if we will be include them 50 employees, with if we will be include all employees in this process, then the rest of work who will be do? Okay, so that we have the separate, because some of companies you can see the most of the 2 to 3% are there who are only responsible for the month end and year end activity. Because why they have appointed, why companies are recruiting them? Because the one of the month end year end activities should go in systematic manner. They are only responsible. Suppose Sushil and Rakesh, we both are only responsible for the year end month end, because we can do it very smoothly. Okay, if we will be add other employees also, so they may be confusing. They are also doing their daily activities, but we both are the specialist of the month end. So here what happened? The company need to be hire 2 to 3% only for month and year end activity, and the company should pay salary through the employees. So here one is the one company, different database. Okay, and also you are also expensive. It's very expensive. The database also you have to be purchase the database, correct? Second, you have to be also recruit employees for these type of activities of month end year end activities. 2 to 3 employees of every departments. Okay, then third third is coming the time consuming. It's taking time. Okay, now this is the picture of the before SAP. Now suppose imagine you have implemented SAP now. Now you have implemented SAP. Okay, now you have one company, and if your company is now running 2 countries only, or it may be 100 countries or 200 countries, there is no issue. Okay, there is no matter. The matter is how many software you are using. So now we have one company, and no need to use the different softwares for different country wise. We will be use only one software. It's called SAP. It's called SAP. In FI, so for finance, SAP has given FI and CO module. Okay, FI and CO module. For inventory, SAP has given module. It's called FISO means finance and controlling. Means material and management. Okay. For HR is called HR module. For sales department, SAP has given SD, sales and distribution module. For plant maintenance, SAP has given plant maintenance, and for production planning, PP, who is the quality management is coming there. Okay, production planning, they're the PP module. So now what happened? You have one company, and the company is running in 2 countries or the 100 countries, but you are using only one software. You are using only one software. It means what? If you are using one software for your company, then it is only one database, correct? If there is only one database, okay, then correct. If one
Yes,
software,
sir.
then there have only one database, correct? So now just tell me, in SAP what happened? SAP is called, it's very user friendly, one thing. Second thing, SAP is integrated to each department. SAP is integrated to each department. Okay, means okay, means 1 minute, I'm just connecting my charger. Okay, and SAP is integrated to each module, each department we can say, because see, now it's FICO linked with MM, FICO linked with HR, MM linked with SD, PM linked with MM. So all modules are integrated to each other. Okay. So now after implementation of SAP, if your company wants the financial statement in month end or every 15 days also, there is no problem, because the finance department no need to send a separate mail to the every department. No need that. Okay, because no need to be prepare your financial statement manually. No need that. In finance module, there have a T code, is called F.01. You just need to be execute this T code, okay, and you need to be enter your company code, okay, your company code or the period or which year you want to see your financial statement, and just execute. You will be within 5 minutes. You can see in front of, you can see the financial statement is balance sheet, trial balance, P&L, cash flow, whatever the statement you want. No need to be send a different mail to a different department, and the different and the departments are no need to be export the data, because here one database. Na? If finance department has posted one document, one entry, it will be stored here only. HR, what are the departments posted the documents? It will be stored in one database only, correct? So no need to be export any data from your database to Excel. No need that. It's very simplification that you just the finance department just need to be execute this T code and they can see the financial statement within 5 minutes. So now just tell me, before you have taken 18 days for one financial statement, but in SAP you are only taking 5 minutes. So now you can imagine what is SAP and why most of company are using SAP. Understandable to all of you what I am saying,
Yes, sir.
correct? Any
Yes.
doubt now? Anyone please ask me. Then we will go to the next one. Yeah. Any doubt from anyone? No
No,
doubt.
sir, no.
We'll move
I do
forward.
not. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Fine. Okay. So now I'm just giving one example how the in SAP all modules are interlinked, integrated to each other. Okay, just there have a P2P cycle in SAP, or is called procure to pay. Okay, in procure to pay, what happens? The scenario will be start from the inventory department and it will be end in the finance department. How? Your company, suppose your company purchase some material, okay, something. So what they have to do? First, they have to do the purchase order. Okay, they have to be post a purchase order first. Then they have to be post one accounting entry in goods receipt. They have done the goods receipt. Then they have to do the invoice part. Then it will do the payment part. This is the one cycle doing it. Every company is there. Okay. So now purchase order, who will be do that? This purchase order will be do the inventory department. It's called inventory department. Okay. Then here the finance department, the FICO, the FICO is the finance department. Okay. Now in SAP, so if you talk about before SAP, how it was running, for purchase order and for goods receipt, the has you posted the document where I mix, correct? So now invoice and the payment, these two parts will be done by the finance department. So now what they have to do, inventory department need to be sent one mail, okay, with detail of the vendor, like what is the purchase order, what is vendor code, vendor name, GST applicable, what is the TDS applicable, what is the vendor bank account detail, what is vendor address, company address, plant address, storage location, everything, correct? In this way, we have to be sent mail from finance inventory department to finance department. Sushil, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct? Yes.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
this is manual activity, table to table. And the finance department once receive this mail in Tally or the other software, they have to be enter manually one by one. They have to be enter vendor, they have to be enter the vendor code, then the bank detail. Okay, so everything they have to do manually. But in SAP, no need that. No need. Once your purchase order got created, if they have some advanced setting, okay, if you want that once purchase order got created, the automatically system will be sent a mail to the finance department head. That also possible. Otherwise, if your company don't want to be invest that much money in SAP, if you want the simplification of SAP, okay, so that time what we can do, once you done this purchase order, once your purchase order got posted, you just give a simple mail, just enter the purchase order. No need to give the every detail, just give the purchase order number. Okay, purchase order number. And once the finance department will be post, just there have a T code in SF is called Myro. For purchase order, there have a T code ME21N, and this is the T code MIGO, and this is the Myro, and there have FDS 53 or F110. FDS 53 is the individual payment of vendor. F110 is the at a time we can payment to multiple vendors. Okay. So now once in SAP there's two T code work done. Finance department need to be only enter the purchase order. Only enter the purchase order. That's all. And once click on enter, you will be see everything in your invoice sheet. You will be see every detail of the vendor purchase order, what is the material, what is the quantity, what is the net price, everything you will be seeing, and what is the GST applied for this vendor, TDS if you have, everything you will be see within the 1 minute. Just enter the purchase order and just click on enter, you will be see everything. Okay, because but now what we have to understand, just understand how it's happened. Okay, because there are the two departments. How system posted accounting entry here, how system posted accounting entry here, where we are linking these two module to each other, where is the T code. Okay, that a user don't know who is using the SAP. We are the concern. Okay, so we have to be understand that, because we are also the responsible person for this. We know where is the configuration or customization. Just understand. Now I am coming to the consultant part. Now I'm trying to understand you that what is consultant. See, this is one software, correct? If this is one software, we somewhere we have to be link these two module to each other, correct? Then only system will be post all the accounting entries, everything automatically. System will be calculate the GST automatically, correct? So that where is that part? We have to do that consultant. Okay. In SAP, there are two type of job. One is called consultant job. Okay. One is called consultant job. One is called end user job. One is called end user job.
Hmm.
Okay. One is called consultant job. One is called end user job. What is end user and what is consultant? Okay. The end user job is the user who will be use SAP. They don't know what is customizing those things because they don't know how company code coming, how, see, just tell me. In every company, India also have, US also have. Okay, suppose your company has posted one accounting entry, today's date. Okay, today is the 20 of the 20 July, correct? 2023. So what your company want? Your company want to see multiple reporting. Means if your company want to see this same accounting entry in India, then it should be so the period. What is the period in India now? 04 April, May, June, July, correct? But in US, it will become 07 period, correct? This is your client want because your client want to see local cap and US cap also. Means the financial statement, two financial statement. One is the Indian financial statement of the accounting period of April to March. One is the Jan to December also your client want to see that. So this is the software now. Okay. We have to be how it's reflected automatically. What user will do? User don't know how it will be possible in one accounting entry, but it should be so in two different periods. They don't know. They just post a document. If it's not coming, they will be raise the ticket or something. Okay. So how it's happened? Who will do that? This type of configuration we have to do. Configuration, the customization. Consultant will be do the configuration or customization. Okay. User means end user means who are using the SAP. Okay. A consultant means who are developing the SAP. A consultant also can be a, we can say, we can call as a SAP software engineer or SAP developer, software developer or software engineer also we can say. Okay. Consultant. End user means only the data entry job. We cannot compare this consultant, this end user job with other ERP software because in end user job also there have the very huge salary. We can say most of the end users, super users are their salary is 1,50,000 every month. Okay, so we cannot compare this kind SAP user to a other users. But end user means one type of data entry job. But consultant means who is developing the software, who is customizing as per the client requirement. Okay, this is a consultant. See, a consultant can be an end user, but a end user cannot be a consultant because consultant is developing this software. Na? Okay, suppose we have manufactured a if we have manufactured one bike, then we also know that how it will be run, how we will be access that, correct? So consultant need to be first they will be do the customizing, then they can also test the system also how it's working before going in front of the client business. Consultant also be testing the same thing. What are the data entry jobs are doing, consultant also be doing same thing because we have to know what are the changes we have done as per your client requirement, that is working fine or not. Okay, so a consultant may be a end user also. They know the all everything of the SAP, but user only know the data entry, post the invoices. They don't know customizing. They don't know how the reports are developed. Clear? Anyone have any doubt about the consultant and end user?
No, sir.
No.
No?
No, sir.
Okay. So now, coming to the next part, consultant are two type of consultant. One is the functional consultant. Consultant are two type. One is the functional, second is the technical. What is functional consultant? What is technical consultant? Functional consultant is called FICO, MM, SD, PP, PM, QM, success factor. Okay, these are the functional consultant, means who's who are belonging from the accounting. Okay, accounting, MBA, MCOM, BCom. Okay, we can say also BSc. There is no problem, but they have to be understand the business process. They have to knowledge. They have to keep the knowledge of the accounting, business, financial statement. Okay, there is no matter that a diploma student also can be a FICO consultant. There is no problem if he has that much potential to understand the business process. No problem. A BSc student also can do. Okay, so but the thing is that you have to understand the business process, the accounting. Okay, functional. Who are the responsible for the client? Technical. Technical is coming above. Basis. Above means who is basically doing the coding. Suppose your client want a report and that SAP is not given in standard, so we have to be develop that one. We can do the customizing. Who can do that? We have to be take the requirement. We have to be informed to them, the technical consultant. So they will be do the coding. Basis consultant, the security team, the access or any server related work they can do. Basis team. BW, business intelligence, business warehouse. Okay, these are the technical consultant. Okay, the functional consultant. We are the functional consultant. Okay, we can do some changes and we will be sit with client, we will be discuss with client, we can take a meeting with client. Okay, technical not responsible, we are the responsible person for the technical consult. We as per our guidance, the technical consultant will be do the work. Okay, so now any doubt of consultant, functional consultant, technical, end user, any doubt is there or any doubt in this integrated module?
No, sir. No,
Anyone,
sir.
please let me know. Please tell me. No, no. Okay.
No doubt, sir.
So now, great, great. Yeah. So now, just think how SAP career has started. Okay. If your first time joining SAP, the fresher, as a fresher, the once you have completed become your MBA, whatever, okay, and you have joined SAP, then you will see as an internship. Everything, everywhere is there internship. So after completion of internship, you will be appointed as a associated, associate SAP FICO consultant, associate. Okay. And if you have got the job in startup companies, after 2 years, if you are working well, then they will be appointed you as a senior consultant. Okay. But exactly in senior way, if you have 5 to 6 years of experience, okay, 5 to 6, 5 to 5 years of experience or 6 years of experience, if you have, then you can appointed as a senior SAP FICO consultant. Okay, under one senior, there have 3 to 4 associate consultant. and under one associate consultant there are 4 to 5 interns. Okay, if you have 8 or 9 years of experience in SAP, you will be as a team lead means you will be manage 4 to 5 senior consultant. Okay, if you have 15 years of experience, then it will become to the manager position or COE, who is the solution architecture. What is the basically role of these things? The solution architecture, if you are solution architecture, then you will be managed 2 to 3 projects at a time, and you have to be come to the picture when your consultants, your team leads are facing any issue, any problem. Then only you have to come to the picture. Okay, so in this way these are the different positions in SAP. And if you talk about salary for associate, they have also 6 to 7 lakh, and for senior 15 to 16 lakh, and for team lead, as for the knowledge, as for the team management knowledge, as for the, it depend upon your company, which company you are joining. If it's coming to the Deloitte, IBM, KPMG, PwC, for team lead position that have the 20 to 27, 28 lakh. So it's depend upon your interview, it's depend upon your confidence. So as per that they will be provide you salary. Okay, so this is the whole thing of SAP. So now, is there any doubt of anyone regarding this SAP? Any technical question you want? If you have, then you can ask me now.
Hello.
Uh, yeah, Sushil, tell
Yeah,
me.
Sushil here, sir. Yeah, sir, I
Yes,
have
yes.
three, four questions, right? Actually, just I was just checked yesterday only that FICO, and
Hmm,
after that FICO, some HANA is there, right? So basically,
correct.
actually, I'm working on the ERP right now, and SAP FICO, why I want to do to add in my career path, right?
Okay.
So FICO
Okay,
is
so now
sufficient,
in
or we have
fine.
to go with the, yeah. So first
Okay,
question is
you want
hello.
that is yes, yes, tell me. Tell me.
Yeah, first the FICO and what will be the HANA? What is the basic difference, right, sir? First, second, I am
Fine.
basically from finance
Fine.
field. Okay, I'm a, already I am a
Okay.
commercial. Actually, I am having experience of 15
Hmm.
years approx. I'm in
Hmm.
corporate office, but if I want to more aid in my career, then I have to do SAP because all MNC and big companies are asking now SAP. Okay. So,
Hmm.
and when
Hmm.
exam will conducted and how we can do fast or how we have to give our time and what is the things, just basic things you just explain, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let's start. See, I'm just giving you first question. Answer that.
Yes, sir.
What is FICO FICO and what is S for HANA? Okay. So
Yes, sir.
I'm saying there is nothing difference between FICO and HANA. There is a difference between the only in FICO. See, we are saying that there are different versions. So when SAP started from 1972, okay, first time SAP introduced the ECC 4.0 something version. Okay, then day by
Yes.
day, SAP is introduced ECC 4.0, ECC 5.0, ECC 6.0, SAP ECC ESP 7 is coming, 7.0, then 7.8 something is there. Then in 2015, SAP has introduced first time S4 HANA. Okay,
Mhm.
what is S4 HANA? In S4 HANA, it's coming that the module is same. Okay, module
Okay.
is
Yes,
only
sir.
FICO. Okay, so what
Yes.
happened
Yes.
in difference? This is HANA is the latest version we can say. Okay,
Okay.
SAP
Yes. Yeah.
S4 means simple finance, we can say. It's coming to simple finance, or S4 HANA means is the latest version of SAP. In the now in market 2022 S4 HANA version is working. So this is
Yeah.
the latest version, we can say. Okay. And in
Yes.
HANA and ECC, if we compare with these two software, the version, like there are the iPhone 13, iPhone 14, correct? So
Yeah.
as per that, SAP also has same version, ECC and S4HANA. In ECC, there have some of the manuals like at the time of year end or month end. Uh, Before HANA, we have to be run 2 to 3 T code, not that much manual. Just we have to be run the T code. Like there have a KLA color T code where we have to be reconcile. Okay, the GLs.
Yes.
But in
Yes.
HANA, no need to do that. Okay, in HANA, you just there have only one T code is called FAGLGVTR. Once you run this T code, your asset accounting new fiscal year automatic will be open. Okay, your GL will be automatically reconciled to each other. Okay, so this type of some of the T codes are in ECC. If you are running 5 T code in month end, in HANA, you need to be only run 3 T code. Okay, means some of the
Okay.
automations
Okay.
SAP has done. SAP changes some automations. Okay, this is the first thing. And second thing, it's coming the performance issue. In ECC, if you are executing a report, if you want to see the vendor balance, if you want to see the customer balance, it's taking, see, in
Yes.
production, what I mean, real time, there are the thousands of data. And every day we are posting thousands of data. So for executing 1 year
Right.
data
Right.
or for 2 to 3 month data, it's taking 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, in ECC, but in HANA, it's taking 5 minutes. Okay,
Okay.
so this
Yeah.
type of some of the changes SAP has done in S4 HANA. Okay, but the module is FICO only, FIC only. Okay, the changes
Okay.
is
HANA.
some of
HANA
the
is the latest
automations
version.
has done, latest version we
Yes.
can say. Okay,
Yes.
HANA is the
Yes.
now every company, if a company want to be use SAP, they are implementing S4 HANA.
Okay.
Okay,
So
this
so
is
we have
only
to go with
different. Yes,
you
see,
first.
I am saying that.
Yes.
If we will be
Yes.
go with ECC also, there is no problem. But we just have to learn the HANA. The changes are
Okay.
there. Okay, see,
Yes. Yes.
if there are HANA, I'm just giving you, I'm just showing you SAP. This is the SAP stream. Okay,
Hmm.
and this are the most of my some of the clients are there. Okay, here. So there have we can see here there have one dummy ECC 6.0 version is there.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, ESP7
Hmm.
one. This is the ESP7, and you can see
Hmm.
there
Hmm.
are my clients are there. Everest, Go Fashion, Gold Seal, Go Palan. They are the different clients. Okay,
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
what happened here? Semja. Semja is the latest one where I have implemented as for HANA. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
and Gopalan using S4 HANA. The most of clients are using S4 HANA. Okay, because these are the uh, because recently they are 2 to 3 years before 5 years they have only implemented SAP. Okay,
Hmm.
why they have implemented
Hmm.
S4 HANA?
India.
Uh,
Hmm. Hmm.
India, yeah. Everest is the see Dr. Batra. Okay,
Yeah.
India,
Hmm.
Everest, Go
Yes.
Fashion, then
Yes.
Gopalan.
I think so. In
These are the Indian
yes,
clients.
in India, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. And the most of the big
And
clients
now
has
the
applied. I
Suhana
think so.
Masala. Yes,
Acha
yes.
Suhana.
Most of the
Okay.
clients are
I'm
now
in
coming to SAP.
I'm in Mother's Institute.
Okay, okay.
Hello. Yeah, yeah, I'm in Mother's Recipe Corporate.
Huh. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
But we are doing
So here
our
we can,
yeah.
huh?
We are
What you are
using
doing?
ERP, DNS ERP.
ERP,
Our
business
yeah,
ERP.
customized business ERP, customized ERP. We are using the we are not using the
Okay,
SAP.
that software name is business ERP.
That software name is the DNS ERP. Oracle based. This
Okay,
is I think so.
BNS ERP. Okay, it might be.
Yes.
Oracle,
Yes,
Oracle. See, in market there are a lot
yes,
of ERP Sushil. Okay, but for
yes, yes,
implementing
sir.
HANA, for implementing HANA, the company need to be expense core of money. Okay,
Yes, sir. That is
core of
expensive.
money they have to be spent. Then only
Hmm.
they can implement HANA. Otherwise, they can't implement because SAP
Hmm.
charging high rate of price. Okay, because
Yes,
if a company wants implement HANA, they have to be hire the consultant also. Okay, and the
yes, sir.
consultant's value is very high in market. If they have, as per their 10 year of experience, they will be ask you for the 30 to 35 lakh package. Okay, so
That's sir.
if a company using SAP, they have to be also spend core of money first, then only they can
Yes,
implement SAP. Okay,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so
Yes.
here in if you will be say that which one is the best for us and which one we have to learn now, then I will be suggest for what my motivation that we will be
Yes.
learning ECC. Okay, so here what happened? If once we learn ECC, then what we know that we know what is exactly SAP started from 1972. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then
Yes.
we will be learn as for HANA also. As for HANA also, not that much. We'll not learn whole course. We'll only learn what are the changes in SAP S4 HANA.
We will learn
Okay,
all the updates.
see
Yes.
if
Hmm.
correct. So here what happens? See, if we will be directly use ECC in iPhone 14 Pro, then what happened? We don't know before how was iPhone. If we will be
Yeah.
use one old version of iPhone, then we will be use one latest version of iPhone. Then we exactly know that what was iPhone, now what is iPhone. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
How
Absolutely.
it's
Yes, sir. Hmm.
before
Right.
started, now how it's going. So if we will be go with ECC, it's also fine. Okay. Because I have started
Yes,
my
sir.
career as a ECC consultant, but now I am also doing implementing also as per HANA. So what I know, I know that what are changes SAP has given in S4 HANA. Correct?
Hmm. Hmm.
If I have directly
Yes,
started
sir.
my career as a SAP S4 HANA consultant, it might be I have not given the answers of your question that what is ECC. Correct. So for that, in interview point of view also, in in your, if you want to be add value in your resume also, it also good option that
Yes.
we can learn both. We will be learning ECC, then we also know the what are the changes in S4 HANA also. That is not that much. It will take only
Yes.
after completion of course now, it will be take only 10 days. 10
Yes.
days, 10 class is enough. In every class, will take 1 hour or 1.5 hour. Okay. 1.5 hours. Then it's
Oh,
enough to know
oh.
the S4 HANA also. Only 10
Yes, sir.
class.
Yes, sir.
I will be provide you only 10 class for
Yes,
S4
sir.
HANA. Okay. Then
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
you all are exactly know what is the issues and what are the changes in S4 HANA. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
I
Sure,
think
sir.
I have given your first question answer. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes. Right, sir.
Yeah.
Right.
And
Absolutely.
if it's coming to the second answer, second question that how will we clear the exam, those things. See, in exam point of view, we will be give you training, we will provide you training as per the real time training. What you will be do in real time, and also we will be show you real time documents. Okay, what is business grouping? What
Yes.
are the what are the activity? What are the roles and responsibility in real time? We will be give you everything. We will be provide you training as per the real time experience. Okay, and
Right.
for
Yes, sir.
business,
Yes.
for the exam we are providing support in exam. Okay, we will be give you
Yes, sir.
support,
Yes, sir.
and you don't worry about exam. You just you just learn. Once you're completing your course, you will be definitely clear your exam. Okay, there is no issue. Okay, my management also provide you support. Okay, you don't worry
Sure,
about
sir.
that.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure, sir.
yes.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And how much
Anyone? Any
exam
question?
when it will,
Yeah.
no, no, how
See,
exams, how much
uh,
now recent, now the next exam when due? Anytime exam
see, in
we can do,
exam,
right?
correct. Any
Yeah.
time, there is no problem. Any time, you just need to be book your slot. Okay,
Okay,
just
okay,
need to be
okay.
registered,
Yes,
and
yes,
that
yes.
also our management will be
Okay,
guide you. There is no problem. Okay, they will be guide you
okay.
what is the
Yes.
slot, how they will be. You have to be registered in SAP site. Everything they will be guide you. You don't worry about exam. Okay.
Sure, sir, sure. Okay, so nice, sir, so nice.
Yeah. Any question now from
Okay.
anyone?
No, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Thank you, Sushil.
Yeah,
Pratiksha,
thank
Mahanti something, and
Yeah,
I
sir,
think
Mahan.
some of the left. Yeah. You have any question?
Sir, this after the training, this exam will be there, and once we clear this exam, certification will be given by SAP company only.
SAP company by German certified. You are
Yes.
certified by the German company. Okay.
Okay. After
So
this
what is
three,
the
after this,
SAP?
uh,
Please tell me. Tell me.
sir, after this 3 months training, that exam will be there.
You see, if you that in every month or every day SAP exam is conducted. Okay. Once you are
Mm.
comfortable, you are comfortable that in this time I will be give you I will be give the exam. Just
Mm.
book the slot and give exam. And within the 40-30 minutes, your result will be announced and they will be certified you also.
Okay. Mm.
Okay, they will be
Okay,
give you
sir, just
the certification that huh.
Mm.
Yes, Susil.
first you complete, sir. Yeah, first complete, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
So
it will
so
be, yeah, it
SAP
will be
will
global
be give you
certification.
the exam the name global certification. Yes, it will the global certification.
Yes, yes, yes.
Global.
Okay, and
Okay.
it will be
Means
available
anywhere
online
of
also.
world you can do
Access the
online.
certification.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Oh, so nice, sir. Sure, sir.
Correct, correct.
Correct. Yeah.
So
Thank you, sir.
in worldwide everywhere you can do your job.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So,
Okay.
okay. So nice, sir. Thank you.
The global certified we can say.
Yeah, sir.
And
Your number
Pratiksha,
is
you
available.
have any doubt? Uh, I think
No, no.
yeah, you can contact
I
no,
actually I
no,
spoke to
Pratiksha. Okay.
Manal and
So Pratiksha, you understand everything, na?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Great. Uh, yeah, Munal can give you. Yeah. Yeah, Manta, you have
yes, sir.
any question now?
Sir, this one, once the we will get the certification, will you be providing some placement assistance?
See, in placement, there have lot of companies are there. Okay, there is, and we will be guide you how you will be get the job. Okay,
Okay.
that placement now, as of now, we are not committing of any placement. Okay, but now
Uh,
we are trying to do the placement. Okay,
uh,
some spam short period of time. But as of now, we are
okay.
not committed you that you we will be give you
Mm.
placement, but we will be guide you how you have to be
Okay.
upload your resume in Naukri.com. Okay, how you will be get the
Uh,
job, how you will be get the call, what are the so things you have to be update in your Naukri so recruiter can call you. See, once you update in Naukri na, Naukri and Indian Monster, but most of call you will be
mm.
received from Naukri only. Okay, there have
Okay.
some process, there have some steps. What are the steps we have to be follow in Naukri.com? Okay, then you will
Okay.
be get the job. And we have also started our career as a Naukri.com. Okay, means we got the call from the Naukri only. Okay,
Uh,
if you talk about 10 years before. Okay, so don't
mm.
worry about the job. Once the course is completed, then just upload your resume in Naukri. There will be you can get the call.
Okay. Okay. Sir.
Okay, sir. Yeah,
So,
thank you, sir.
yeah,
Mm.
hope
Sure.
you all are
Thank you so much.
understandable. You hope you all are
Yes, sir. Yeah,
enjoyed this
sure.
session.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you
Okay.
all for attending this
Thank you so
class.
much. Yeah, bye, bye. Thank you,
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank
bye.
you. Bye.